4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large presence of Russian paratroopers were spotted landing near Blythe, Georgia, about 10 miles from Fort Gordon. Everyone in the Augusta metropolitan area and the surrounding counties are to evacuate immediately. These places include Richmond County in east central Georgia, Burke County in east central Georgia, Columbia County in east central Georgia, and Edgefield, Aiken, Bamberg, and Orangeburg counties in east central South Carolina. Stay off of the interstate as you evacuate, as the military will be using I-20 and I-520 to combat the Russian aggressor. Tie a white bow around your mailbox to signal that you have evacuated. Stay away from the Russian soldiers, as they are considered extremely armed and dangerous. Approaching the enemy soldiers will put your life in extreme danger. If you cannot escape, shelter in place immediately. If you see anyone acting suspicious or you see the Russian soldiers, call 911 immediately. If they break into your home, use lethal force if necessary. If you are a member of the United States military, please report to the nearest police station to await your orders. Tune into radio and other media outlets for more information on this developing and